Hi everyone, welcome to Reader's World. Today I'll be reading the book Silly Sally by Audrey Wood. Silly Sally went to town, walking backwards upside down. On the way, she met a pig, a silly pig. They danced a jig. Silly Sally went to town, dancing backwards upside down. On the way, she met a dog, a silly dog. They played leapfrog. Silly Sally went to town, leaping backwards upside down. On the way, she met a loon, a silly loon. They sang a tune. Silly Sally went to town, singing backwards upside down. On the way, she met a sheep, a silly sheep. They fell asleep. Now, how did Sally get to town, sleeping backwards upside down? Along came Neddy Buttercup, walking forwards, right side up. He tickled the pig, who danced a jig. He tickled the dog, who played leapfrog. He tickled the loon, who sang a tune. He tickled the sheep, who fell asleep. He tickled Sally, who walked right up. She tickled Neddy Buttercup. And that's how Sally got to town, walking backwards upside down. The end. If you like this story, please do give a thumbs up. Have an awesome day.